We need to remember that when the SAT is testing comparisons, our instincts for what sounds good might not also be correct about what is grammatically correct, okay? So we need to make sure that we have a grammar rule that we are following here, not just what sounds best, because a lot of times that's going to mean picking something like choice B because it's the shortest, and quite frankly, it's probably what I would say if I was just having a conversation. But it is incorrect because it breaks the comparison. We have to ask ourselves, what are we actually comparing here? Are we comparing different types of shoes? Well, it seems that way, but technically not the way the sentence is explained. So here we have something being more expensive than something else, and the beginning of the sentence sets us up. The materials used in the biodegradable shoe were initially more expensive than the materials used in the mass market shoe. So we have to make sure we are actually talking about the materials, and choice B would remove that and just be talking about the shoe directly, which we don't want to do. So we need to specify the materials. Choice D is also going to have a problem. It sounds a little fancier, but it is not fixing the grammar problem. It still seems like we're talking about the shoe when we want to be talking about the materials. And then A and C both actually come close to solving the grammar problem, but in choice A, we have a singular pronoun, but we really want something plural, and so we need to go with choice C because that's also plural, and that is the answer. Now, frankly, I think that sounds kind of weird. That doesn't sound like how I would just say this sentence, and this is why it's so important to know when we're dealing with a grammar rule, because some of them, especially the ones tested on the SAT, do not get said correctly when we talk to each other. And so what sounds right will not necessarily be what is grammatically correct, and so we need to override our instincts sometimes and follow the rule. Comparisons on the SAT are a big example of that.